Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make videos by Humva app. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome option from here, and once you are in the Chrome option you have to go to the Humva AI by typing here. So here you can see the Humva AI is already here you can see the Humva AI is already here you will get lots of option, but you have to go to the first option from here, the Humva AI tools for a Humva AI from here. And once you are here you have to log into your account, or if you don't have any account you can just click on sign up and choose the Google option from here, or you can also manually type your email. After that, if you can here you can see that there are so many public avatars. So for example, I would like to go for this one here. So if you click on the create avatar option from here you can see the video is already here. So here if you would like to type a script, so for example I would like to type hello everyone. Here you can see hello everyone. After that, if you click on enter, and if you click on play here you can see that it's showing the generating video. Estimated time is 1 minute 3 seconds. So it actually depends on the script that you are giving here. So if you are giving a long text it will take long time, but if you are not giving long text, I mean the short text, it will take short time. So for example I have just give the hello everyone from here. It's just taking 1 minute 3 seconds, but if you are giving more than this one it will take more time. Here you can see the video, and here you can see it's already get it ready. So if I play it, and here you can see the video is already showing telling the hello everyone. And also you can choose another thing you if you want. So for example I would like to go outside, and then if you click here, so another person will tell. So for example I'd like to go for this one, and if you click on the create video, and here you can see that the video is already here. And here you can see if you click on the uh, profile icon here of Olivia Jones, here you can choose another person from here also. So if you just type in the hello everyone as well for here you can see, if you click on hello everyone, then if you click on the play option from here you can see the estimated time is 15 seconds for it, and it will simply do the video. As I said previously, that it depends on your speech length. So if you have a long speech it will obviously take much more time, but if you have a short speech it is most likely to take less time than the long speech one. Here you can see it's getting loaded, and here you can see that in this place I want to make sure that while your video is generating you cannot do any kind of editing that time. So here you can see the video is already ready here. So if you click on it, here you can see that the girl is saying hello everyone. And also there's the ready-made video that you can do. Also you can just type in that I would like to make a video where a boy is cutting a potato. So and after that if you click on the generate, it will simply generate the video. And also you can choose the length from here. So for example I would like to go for the 1 minute, the select style to calm story, passionate, or whatever you want. So I'd like to go for the corporate, and in the choose avatar you can choose any avatar. So here in the topic you can choose the studio or lifestyle. So for example I'd like to go for the studio, and here in the gender you can choose female, male, or all. I'm going for the all option, male option from here. After that if you click on age, here you can see the young adults, adults, seniors. So if you go to the seniors, there should be no data, but if you go for the adult, here you can see that the some avatar is ready. And here in the screen size you can choose the 16:9 or 9:16. So let's go for the 16:9 option from here. And after that you can just simply click on generate, and here you can see that our AI is generating your script. Hold on. So that's how you can easily just type in your video that you would like to generate. So for example that you can see the AI have already generated a prompt according to your preference. Now if you click on generate video, here you can see it's already getting started to generate the video, and we're waiting for that. And as you can see that I have just write one line, and here you can see the video is already ready. And if you click on play here you can see the estimated video of generating is 16 seconds, and here you can see that the script is already showing in the left hand side. You cannot edit that while your video is generating, since I said previously that during the generating video you cannot touch anything from the left hand side. You have to just wait for a couple of seconds to it get loaded. And once more thing I would like to say that if your internet speed is good, and if then the video will take much less time to generate as well. And also it depends on the script, and that is depend on the script side and what avatar you are choosing. And if you are choosing a critical or complex AI avatar, then it will obviously take much more time to it makes the video. And if you are choosing a normal avatar, then it will most likely to not taking that much of time. So here you can see the video is almost ready, and it's already getting loaded, and we can just play it after it gets loaded. So here you can see the video in the here you can see the video is already running here. Here you can see the script is already. So here you can see that all the script here is here, and also he is telling that now if you would like to make a custom avatar, if you click on the custom avatar, here you can see that the reference image, talking photo, and also you can just go for the prompt avatar. So let's go for the reference image from here, and from here you can just upload your image that you would like to use. So for example, I'm going to upload a random image from here. So let's go to the downloads option first. Then I would like to go a ChatGPT generated image, and here you can see image is uploading here, and we have to wait couple of seconds since it's uploading from our device to this web. Then you have to go to click on the next when it's done. So here you can see the photo is already uploaded. Then you have to click on next. After that you have to click a name. So for example, I would like to type in the Ryan, and here you can just choose the voice. And for your kind information, here is auto match voice, that means the James, and you can also choose other voices from here. And also you can just upload a custom voice by clicking on the upload voice option from here. And also here in the industry, if you would like to go for the studio, then in the aspect ratio you can choose any aspect ratio as your preference. Then in the realistic or cartoon that you want, so I'm going for the realistic, then you have to click on the generate. And here you can see here it is showing the generating your avatar. This process may take 15 to 30 seconds. Please do not leave this page. So it's meaning that you cannot do anything again while it's loading, and also you cannot leave this page while it's making your video. And make sure that here you can see that we have already got one of them and two of them, and you will get lots of the option from here. So I would like to go for the first one. Then if you click on the generate avatar, it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see that we have already got this one. And if you click on the edit avatar, you can just change it. And if you now click on it, so here you can see that the video is already the avatar is already generating. And that's how you can easily just customize your own avatar. So after that you have to wait couple of seconds. Here you can see that the video is already generating here. We are waiting for that. And also you can go back from here, and here you can see the my avatar. In my avatar, here you can see the avatar that we just created a few seconds ago. And the public avatar, you will get lots of options from here, the pre-ready-made option that I showed you previously. So if you choose directly from here, you can just easily choose from here, or you can also go to the my avatar, and here in the avatar it's taking time to generate. And after that, if you click on it, and you can simply just generate much more videos by using this one. And also you will get all of this here in the projects option. Since I didn't created any video till now, it's not showing anything here. But if you create any video by by any project or any custom sized any custom video, then it will simply show here in the project. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.